Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see governance in Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So this video will guide you on how to use the new governance capabilities in Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. I will go to the Defender for Cloud. And I will go on Environment Settings. And I'll click on the subscription. And I will look for the option Govern and Rules, which is in preview as of now, and enter the new experience. You create a governance rule here. And you set the high severity, set the name here, high severity recommendations. Should be remediated ASAP. Select the scope, priority, description, and then you click on next. You set the severity, you set the owner, you set the email address, you set the remediation time frame. Then you apply the grace period. You can have as many as days you want. Send the email notifications. A weekly email will be sent to specified owners and their managers with all recommendations they are assigned to. And then you can click on create, and then your rule would be created. Now all the recommendations in Microsoft Defender for Cloud will have the guy as the owner and for which you have entered the email address. Apply the rule to the 3 existing recommendations, override existing assignments. You do not do that. If you want to do that, make sure you check that option. Now, if you want to see the recommendations that you are the owner of, you go to the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You click on recommendations. Click on show my items only. Here. It is set to on, you set it to on. Sorry, it is set to off, you set it to on. And you will see the recommendations for your item. Only you can enable it, you can remediate it, or whatever you want. You can click on it. And then you select it, you change the owner, or then you do the remediation following the recommendation steps or the remediation steps that I mentioned. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any other queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.